In this video, we're going to discuss inputs and simulated ignition power modes. When setting up EcoStar 3, there's a white engine off request and a green engine on request wire. This section allows you to set some conditions for the white and the green wire. So the off request input says there's a temperature precondition. By selecting that, what you are requiring is that the engine coolant temp and the ambient air temp be at a minimum level before the system will shut the engine off. The on request input, which is the green wire, if you select the latching box, that means turn the engine on and keep it on until either the transmission is shifted out of park or the key is cycled. By selecting activate max AC, this will actually turn the AC on to full power once the engine is restarted. This feature, however, only works for the Ford Interceptor utility at this point in time. The last box in this section is hood input. Now we sell a hood switch, but some vehicles have the hood signal on the CAN bus. By selecting this, what you're telling the system is to read the hood position off of the CAN network and not use a switch. In the simulated ignition power mode section, this gives you the ability to set up how the ignition system will react when the engine is turned off. You have two selections here. One is ignition off, and it will give you the opportunity to select off or accessories mode. Under wait restart, so when EcoStar has turned the engine off, you can select that the ignition will go to off, accessories, or run position. Now, why would you want to select anything other than off? Off obviously maximizes the amount of time that the engine is off, therefore maximize the fuel savings. But you may have equipment that requires either being in accessories or run mode, or you prefer to have it in accessories or run mode. For example, say radio operation or a boom. If you select the key out simulate off button, you must have a bypass module installed for that to function properly.